Hey guys, how's it going? We've got another cool horn to unbox today. So, I got this in the mail yesterday, and this is something that I've been wanting for a while. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop it open. I have some of these horns, but not with this paint on them. So, let's see what it is. Some packing peanuts. Let's try not to make a mess. Oh Lord. A lot of packing peanuts. So it looks like he's got them individually wrapped in bubble wrap, which is awesome. I always like it when people pack their horns good. Sometimes I'll have a horn come in and it's just literally thrown in a box, no packing, and it's in like a large box, and it moves all around and rip the box open. That's a bad deal. So I like it when they're packed well. So anyway, by the bell size, you can already tell it's a Leslie. That would be a 25 based off of its size. We got two stuck together here. There's one right there. Guessing that would be the 31. We've got the manifold. Looks like a power chamber. Another power chamber. Some hardware. And another power chamber. So this is a 3-chime horn. I'm not going to make you watch me unwrap these, so I will unwrap these and be right back. Alright guys, so I got it unboxed. So here is the first, we'll do the power chambers first. So we have an RS head, this is an RS power chamber. It is in CSX blue, so this is what I was talking about. I was excited about this horn because of the paint. I have a couple of these horns, I think 1 or 2 of them you've already seen. But this is another one that I got, but it's the only one I have in CSX blue, and this is actually the first time I've had a CSX horn as far as a Leslie goes. So, bells. We've got a 25, of course, you saw that, you could tell it was a 25. Circle 25. We have the 31, circle 31. It's a close circle actually. These are Persephone heads, these are not Tampa. Next, we have the 44, so RS3L, right? Well, close, but not quite. The manifold is a U. So this is a RSU3L. I really like the U horns. I think they look really cool just because one bell is offset and it's lowered. This is the lowest profile Leslie you can get. So anyway, pretty excited about having this. It's got its original tag. This is an all original horn. The hardware has the CSX paint on it as well. So anyway, excited to have this in the collection. I've never had a CSX painted Leslie, and much less a U. So pretty cool. So anyway, I'll get this thing put together and we'll check it out. Alright guys, so here it is together. I've got it oriented like this, the 25, the 31, the 44, just for storage purposes. It's easier to store my shelves in this orientation. I'll probably run it like this also, but I think this one was actually supposed to be set up with the 31 over here, and actually I think the 44 reversed in the middle. But anyway, this is it. This is what it looks like. Pretty good looking horn. I know it's good sounding. I know it works properly because another collector had this I bought it from, and I've heard a video of it. It's a nice sounding horn. So anyway, that's the cool U manifold. As you can see, it's offset. But anyway, this is it. So y'all be looking out for a video of this in the future. I'll have run by videos, and that'll be that. So I appreciate it, guys. We'll see you on the next one.